If I told you to play Happy Birthday melody from memory, starting with C, how far would you go without making a mistake? When I start the melody, I can hear the next sound in my head, but which of those would it be? Of course, I could go one by one and try to hit it, but it's not really efficient. So when you are improvising, you have some melody in your head, and it would be really nice to see on the keyboard how to play that melody. I would like to propose you some exercise which will help you transfer the melody from your head into the keyboard. I call it a piano puzzle. So there are melodies which are well known, like the Happy Birthday melody. And I will use another well-known melody from the Titanic movie. I guess you know it. The idea is that I will put stickers on a few keys for the right hand, then I will show you a very simple pattern for left hand, and the exercise is about using those notes to play melody from your head. So don't pay too much attention how I play it, and try to find those notes on your own. Okay, so here are the notes for right hand, and here for left hand. In the simplest pattern, I will be just playing octaves. So I'm starting with F sharp, then C sharp, B, and C sharp. Okay, let's start the puzzle. So the first note for right hand is F sharp, and the first verse should sound like this. And the refrain. If you want to sound more complex, you can always add this additional note for left hand, so the perfect fifth from F sharp. So you count 7 semitones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you can play those notes one by one, like this. And it applies also for the C sharp and B. So now it will sound a little bit better. If that's still too easy for you, you can always add some arpeggios for left hand. And to do it, I would need to move those stickers one octave higher. And how do we build the arpeggio? So the first note here is F sharp. So F sharp major is here. It consists of F sharp, A sharp, and C sharp. So all we need to do is find those keys in the next octave. So we have F sharp, A sharp, C sharp, then F sharp, A sharp, C sharp, and the next F sharp. And I play all those notes with left hand except for this note. So I play this with my left hand. And the same with C sharp. So let's find the next notes here. C sharp, F, G sharp, and C sharp. And again, without this second note. And for B, you have B minor here. So let's find those notes without the second one. Thank you for today and see you next time.